share another journal with you, and this one I'm going to call this a floral themed vintage journal. I've kind of done the layering on the front cover as I did with my last lot of journals. This one measures 8 1/8 by 5.5. It has one chunky signature, 88 pages front and back, and this will be listed in my shop. And I'm going to go ahead and do the flip through. So I've used digital prints from Digital Magpie, and I've done the Terri Woods inspired pockets that also doubles up as like a flip out, and we have a large tag in the back and the stamping and stenciling in the backgrounds as well. We have some ephemera. There's a lot of tags and ephemera in this one. Should we put that in there? Oops, I'm not sliding about. There is a postcard and a little booklet. It's from Tsunami Rose. We have a doily, some edge punching, dictionary page, Edith Holden, some French ephemera from the old design shop. We have flip out here, and that goes on there. Another vintage letter from the old design shop. Some vintage ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Some lined paper, stenciled and stamped. Here I've just made, it's actually cardstock pockets, and I've just stamped it up and inked it up, and I've done 2 layered hearts, some fabrics underneath. Postcard, a tag, journal card, and a little booklet. Oops. Doily, a paper bag, edge punching, some more digital paper. Here we have a Rita Donnelly flip, a large tag, some ephemera, a tag, some more vintage postcard from Tsunami Rose, and journal card. Here we just have some vintage ephemera, and this is a receipt of some sort. Some Edith Holden. Oh, there's crocheted trim on some of the pages. Lots of journaling space. Edith Holden. Some more vintage ephemera here. A Rita Donnelly flip, a large tag, some more ephemera, another stamp tag, journal card, and another journal card there. Other side of the paper bag, doily, a postcard, another stamped cardstock pocket, a large tag, journaling card, little booklet. There's some lace trim behind these as well, and then there's lace snippets behind the layering on this. Some more vintage ephemera and places to write. And everything's all shimmery. And a trifold flip out. Some more Edith Holden, dictionary page. Another, this is one of the Terri Woods flip outs. Just like that, and obviously a double pocket, a large tag, some ephemera, another little booklet, a stamped tag, it's Tiffany & Co, and a postcard, and the paper clip just holds it closed, and that is the back. So that's the journal, nice little chunky one. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop. All the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.